Are you struggling with the German plural in your learning process? I'm going to share one very simple secret recipe how to cover most of German plurals with one simple rule. So, let's get started! A lot of people think that the German plural is about the ending en, but it's more complicated than that. There are 6 categories of German plurals. But there is one very important core rule. If you learn all these categories by heart, your brain will explode. It's just impossible. So you'd rather learn those plurals that are the exceptions by heart, just by repeating these forms, just by repeating, telling them loudly. And this is the most efficient way. If you rationalize too much about them, it's going to be too complicated. And the most important rule is that if a word ends with the letter E, German E, then the ending is en. If a word ends with a consonant, then the ending is e. Like, for example, Tisch, Tische. Pflanze, Pflanzen. Tag, Tage. Idee, Ideen. Kurs, Kurse. Name, Namen. So, I hope this short video was helpful for you, and I wish you a lot of success with the German plurals in your future learning. And if you'd like to know something about a certain topic, leave a comment below.